What's good, people? Back with another football shirt video. Just before I get into it, I'd like to ask everyone to please comment, share, subscribe, and like. Thank you. So, this one, actually, just a little history. We all know R9 is one of the GOATs, one of the best footballers in the world. Some could even say he is the GOAT. Why am I talking like this? But yeah, this shirt just reminds me of R9 a lot because he actually wore this shirt, not made by this brand, but he wore this shirt, same colorway, etc. So I'm happy Nike kind of, released it, because I'm not a fan of buying new old shirts, so I wouldn't buy a shirt from the 90s just looking to buy it. I'm not really a fan of that for some reason. I'd rather just buy it, if I can get it in the store, I'll get it. If not, then I wouldn't pay over a retail price, or I wouldn't, try look too hard for it. But yeah, this is the, I'll call it the Inter Milan R9 special. Just look at that. Just look at that shirt. Let's just get to the boring bits quickly. So it says Prodotto Exclusivo. That means the product is exclusive. See, I can speak different languages. Standard fit. We love a standard fit. I'm not a fan of tight football shirts. I don't like this slim fit stuff because I'm not a footballer. I play 5-a-side or 7-a-side, but I'm not a pro. I don't want skin tight. I don't really care for that. So Nike Breathe, so fabrics remove sweat from your skin and feature highly breathable constructions to help you stay dry and comfortable with dry fit technology. Thank you, Nike. Thank you. Ooh. So it's made with at least 75% recycled fibers. So the move to zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. And I have noticed just via speaking to people who work at Nike via online chats, etc., customer service, when I've had a problem, I've actually asked them. For example, I did have a pair of trainers which were defective, let's say. Yes, defective. That's the correct word. Literally defective. So I actually had twice. So I had a pair of football boots which were defective, and they told me to send those back. And I did, and I just asked out of curiosity what would happen to those football boots, and they said that they will recycle them as long as they did find a defect, which they did, so they refunded me. And also another pair of Nikes which were defective, so I asked again. I said, so out of curiosity, what would happen to these? And they said the same thing. They said they will be recycled. And that's enough of me waffling. So Nike does want to move to zero, it looks like. And that's that in another language. So this is product or exclusive? Oh, yeah, exclusive product. There we go. And there we have it. So Pirelli sponsor. I don't have anything against Pirelli sponsor. I think it looks very good on Inter Milan shirts. Just as a sponsor, it looks quite good because it's not Chevrolet. No offense. Obviously, it's got the Inter Milan badge. It's got the gold around it, the star, and then matching with the Pirelli. I really like that. It just pops. It just pops right. They've done everything right. So I'm just going to move it just to give you a better view. There we go, the Inter Milan logo with the star. Then it's got the matching yellow or Volt color, should we say. Then it's got the blue sleeve, to match the kind of Inter Milan, because I don't know, there probably wasn't enough blue on there. Then it's got the blue collar. I've actually noticed a bit of a defect here. It's not nothing too major. No, it's not fake. It was bought from Amazon. So as always, dry fit, made in Indonesia, XL. I don't know TGEG means, if I'm honest. So I do like that color, so it splits the different colors. Would I change it? Don't think so. Not really fussed, to be honest. I really like this shirt. So then it does say Inter Milano just behind, so you can see that clearly, like that. I do remember when this shirt was coming out, there was a lot of people getting name sets on the back, and they were getting printed kind of, you know, across these two name set people. You know, it should be just across one of the stripes, not across two. It looks sloppy. The back isn't really anything special. Obviously it would pop if it had a name set with the yellow. And yeah, now all I need to do is shave my head like R9. Might just shave it all and keep the little hair at the front. And yeah, I think I'll score 100 goals the next 5-a-side match with this shirt and its superpowers it may give me. But yeah, that's all for now for me for this shirt. Very nice shirt. As a casual wear, not so much. I don't think so. I don't think I'd wear this casually. I don't see myself wearing this with jeans. Maybe if I think an outfit looks good, black jeans or grey jeans, not with blue jeans. I think that would look horrible. People that have watched all these football shirt Friday videos will just think this guy just wants to wear all his football shirts with grey jeans and black jeans, and then he's gonna say white Air Forces. Yes, white Air Forces, or just, you know, some casual black trainers, or, you know, you could kind of have a little bit of a vote there, but always with football shirts I try not to do too much. I like to have the football shirt that stand out. And for 5-a-side, I am definitely getting a pair of shorts to match the shirt, and I will be wearing this as a 5-a-side or 7-a-side shirt. So this will be one of my regular shirts. Right now I have the Barcelona, the square Barcelona shirt, so the one with the squares on it, not the stripes, from last season, so the 1920 season. So that's been like my lucky shirt, and now I'm going to see if this one can become another lucky shirt, or, you know, just be one of my regular 5-a-side, 7-a-side shirts. Really do like it, and yeah, I think it's more of a sports wear thing for me, this one, but it could look good on jeans, and I'm not saying don't do it, just personally I may not, or you never know, I might. But that's enough waffling for me about this shirt. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, people.